This home is a masterfully designed builder's personal custom home. It is almost 4,000 square feet and sits on almost 4 wooded acres with a beautiful local view. It has 2 master bedrooms and 2 master baths. Security, central vac, whole house audio, theater room with 118-inch projection screen, $30,000 in custom cabinetry, hardwoods on entire first floor, oversized 3-car garage, too many custom items to list. Seems like you are way out in the country, but only if you're miles to town. This home is a steal at $515,000. Make your appointment today to see this beautiful quality built home.